Hello students, how are you all? I hope so you all are fine. Now kids, in today's session number 4 of chapter number 5, Food and Health, I am going to explain you about importance of exercise in our daily routine. Then after cooking food, and then after good cooking habits, then after preserving food, and then after ways of preserving foods. So in this session, I am going to cover these topics, right? So kids, you know what is the importance of exercise in our day-to-day life? कि हमारी बॉडी की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी के लिए हमारे ऑर्गन्स का प्रॉपर वर्क हो. फॉर दैट रीजन ऑल्सो आवर बॉडी नीड्स एक्सरसाइज. एक्सरसाइज कीप्स आवर बॉडी फिट. एक्सरसाइज एक ऐसी चीज है जो हमारी बॉडी को फिट रखती है, राइट. इट मेक्स द मसल्स स्ट्रॉन्ग. वो हमारे मसल्स को भी स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाती है, राइट. लैक ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेस मेक्स अस लेजी एंड ओवरवेट. अगर हम एक्सरसाइज नहीं करेंगे तो हमारा बॉडी है वो बिल्कुल लेजी हो जाएगा, और हमारी बॉडी जो है वो ओवरवेट भी होती जाएगी, राइट. सो वी नीड टू डू एक्सरसाइज इन आवर डेली रूटीन, राइट. This is why exercise and playing games are an important part of your school routine. Exercise करना, games को खेलना, to play games, these are the main and important part of your school days. कि आपके school days में ये important part था. हम भी when we are returning back to our regular school life, this is so much important for us कि हम हमारी daily life में कुछ ना कुछ तो ऐसा बिल्कुल करना ही चाहिए. 1 hour we need to spare for ourselves. If we are comfortable to do yoga, exercise, stretching, aerobics, zumba, playing games, outdoor games, it's not indoor games. So these are the things which helps you to do exercise to your body, right. ये सारी चीजें अपनी बॉडी को एक्सरसाइज करने में हेल्प करती है, राइट. Now let me explain about cooking food. Fruits are generally eaten raw. Normally we are eating raw fruits only, right. Raw मतलब कच्चा खाते. We are not we are not cooking that fruits, right. We are cooking vegetables, but we are not cooking any fruits. Vegetables such as cucumbers and carrots are also eaten raw. Even vegetables like cucumber and carrot, I love both of them. I love to eat, and I love to eat raw only. हम उसको raw ही खा सकते हैं, right? But many other vegetables such as brinjal, cauliflower, and potato have to be cooked before eating. Some vegetables are that we cannot eat raw. हम उसको raw कच्चा नहीं खा सकते. We need to eat them after. We can eat that vegetables after cooking them only, right. कुक करने के बाद ही हम उसको खा सकते हैं. We make different types of dishes from them. There are so many different vegetables are there, right, and we are preparing so many different dishes from that vegetables, right. For example, rice is boiled before eating. Rice को भी हम raw नहीं खा सकते. We also need to boil them before we need to eat, right. Rice is ground to make idlis and dosa. Even rice का यूज हम इडली और डोसा को बनाने में भी यूज करते हैं, right. We add salt and spices to introduce taste in the food. Food तो हम खाते हैं, but to make it tasty we are adding some spices. कि उस फूड को अगर हमें टेस्टी बनाना है तो we need to add spices, salt, sugar, mirch, turmeric, then after so many cumin, cinnamon, मतलब so many things we are supposed to add. कि कोई भी अगर चीज है तो उसको स्पाइसी बनाने के लिए we need to add some spices, right. Food is cooked to make it soft, chewable, tasty and easy to digest. फूड क्यों हम कुक करते, व्हाई वी आर कुकिंग द फूड? Yes, to make food soft, that is easily chewable by us, to make them tasty, and it is like a cooked food, it is easy to digest, right? कि cooked food होता है वो हमारी body में easily digest हो जाता है, that's why we are cooking food. Clear? Now kids, good cooking habits. Good cooking habits. There are so many habits, but which are the good cooking habits? It is important to follow good cooking habits. Some of them are: fruits and vegetables should be washed 2-3 times before use to remove germs and dirt. Kids, we need to wash fruits or any vegetables 2-3 times because it is full of dirt and germs. Because वो farm में grow होते हैं, farm it is open farm, right? तो उसमें बहुत सारे germs भी होते हैं और बहुत सारे dirt भी होते हैं. So before cook, before we are eating any raw food, any vegetable, we need to wash the things for how many times? For more than 2-3 times. Okay, तभी वो germ free और dirt free हो जाएगा, right? Vegetables should not be washed after cutting them. Vegetables, we are not supposed to wash any vegetable after cutting them. Why? Because the nutrients present in them get washed out. बिकॉज कट करने के बाद अगर हम उसको धोएंगे तो उसके जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं, उसके अंदर जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स सारे के सारे प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो भी वॉश्ड आउट हो जाएंगे, राइट? सो वी आर नॉट सपोज टू वॉश देम आफ्टर कटिंग एनी वेजिटेबल्स और एनी फ्रूट्स. क्लियर? Boiled or steamed food should be preferred as these retains the nutrients present in the food. Avoid overcooking as it destroys the nutrients of the food. Kids, boiled or any steamed food should be preferred as these retain the nutrients present in the food. Kids, we are eating foods and vegetables, and whatever we are eating, that is a cooked food, right? And it is like we are adding so many spices and other things, right? That is good for us, but any steamed or any boiled we are taking orally, अगर हम वो direct खा रहे हैं, that is so much beneficial to us, right? And it is like that, kids. We are supposed to avoid overcooking food. कि अगर गड़ी जाए ना food, overcook खाई जाए ना food, तो it is like कि वो जो होता है, it destroys all the nutrients of the food. कि उसमें जो nutrients होते हैं food के, वो सारे के सारे destroy हो जाते हैं. तो बॉयल खाना इट इज गुड, बट ओवर कुकिंग, ओवर बॉइल्ड फूड भी इट इज नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ. ओके, इट इज नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ. इट इज लाइक के वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो है वो तो डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुके हैं, तो उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं रहेगा कि हमारी बॉडी में कुछ खाया कि नहीं खाया, राइट? नाउ ओवर फ्राइंग और रोस्टिंग डिस्ट्रॉयज द न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रेजेंट इन फूड. ओवर फ्राई करना, ओवर किसी की चीज को फ्राई करना, या तो फिर ओवर रोस्ट करना, ओवर सेका ही जो ओवर रोस्टिंग डिस्ट्रॉयज इवन दिस थिंग्स आल्सो डिस्ट्रॉय न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रेजेंट इन फूड, राइट? दिस शुड बी अवॉइडेड. These are the things we are not supposed to do because we are destroying nutrients of food. Our body needs nutrients, right? If nutrients itself destroys from the food, what it is going to provide to our body? Nothing, zero, right? So these are the things we should avoid. Avoid overuse of refined flour. Refined flour, maida. Kids, you like to eat some pizza, biscuits, so many things which is made up of maida, and that is too much unhealthy for our body. वो हमारी digestive system को खराब करता है. It ruins our digestive system. So we are supposed to avoid overuse of refined flour. Clear? Eat all the seasonal fruits and vegetables. Why doctor is like pressuring us to eat all the seasonal fruits and vegetables? Because seasonal के according our body needs so many things, right? Seasons के according, so हमारी बॉडी को सारी की सारी न्यूट्रिएंट्स चाहिए. seasonal fruits, right? Sometimes we soak pulses and rice in water before cooking them. These water should not be thrown away as it contains nutrients. Use these water for cooking. Kids, we are preparing food, right? Before preparing food, we are soaking some of them, like rice, pulses, mug, chana. We are soaking these kind of things in water, right? What we are using that water? We are throwing that water, but that water have all the nutrients in them. So we are not supposed to throw that water, while we are supposed to use that water in our cooking. ये हमें थ्रो नहीं करना चाहिए, कोई भी दूसरे कुकिंग पर्पस के लिए हमें उसका यूज करना चाहिए. Clear? So these are the good cooking habits. Clear? Please keep it in your mind. Okay? Now, preserving food. Kids, we are preserving so many things in refrigerator, in home, right? So there are so many things which is preserved by us. Now, what is preserving food? Preserving food एक ऐसी चीज है जिसको घर में रखते हैं, right? Preserve करके लंबे टाइम तक. Food is said to be spoiled when it smells foul. Sometimes our food is like smells bad. It means कि food जो है spoiled हो गया है, खराब हो गया है, correct? Food gets spoiled when it is exposed to air and moisture. Why it is going to spoil? When the food is in contact with air and moisture, it connects the contact with it. Then it starts spoiling. कि moisture और air के contact में आने के बाद वो spoil होना start हो जाता है, right? You will find a brownish green layer on the food which is left in the option for a long time. It is like a fungi कि बहुत टाइम तक फूड पड़ा रहा है और वो मॉइस्चर और एयर के कांटेक्ट में आ गया है, तो उसके ऊपर एक लेयर हो जाता है ग्रीनिश कलर का लेयर. इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ फंजाई. कि वो एक फंजाई का लेयर हो जाता है ना, पता चल जाता है कि इट स्मेल्स बैड, वन लेयर इज हियर, सो इट इज अ स्पॉइल्ड फूड. This is due to the presence of microbes in the air. एयर में माइक्रोब्स प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, उसी वजह से वो फूड को स्पॉइल कर देता है. क्लियर? If we want to store food for a long time, we need to preserve it. So that's why we need to adapt some preserving methods to preserve food for a long time. कि अगर लंबे टाइम तक हमें कोई भी चीज को फूड को प्रिजर्व करना है, so we need to do what? We need to adapt some preservative method. The method used to preserve the nutritional value of food for a long time is called food preservation. अगर लंबे टाइम तक अगर हमें कोई भी फूड को प्रिजर्व करना है with its own nutritional value, then we are supposed to do what? We need to preserve food through preservative methods, right? Let us understand through an activity that that food gets spoiled. It is exposed to air and moisture, right? Kids, it is activities like that. You will observe a brownish green layer on a bread slice. आपको एक layer observe करना है. कब observe करोगे kids आप? Do one thing. Take 2 slices of bread. Moisten them with a few drops of water. आपको 2 slices लेनी है bread की, उसके ऊपर थोड़े से water drops डालने हैं, right? This is the activity that you can do it at your home. To observe कि किस तरह से spoiled food में से smell आती है और किस तरह से एक layer greenish आ जाती है, right? Now keep 1 slice of bread in the refrigerator. एक slice को आपको refrigerator में रखना है. And keep the other slice on the windowsill of your kitchen at home. एक स्लाइस को आपको 2 दिन तक कहाँ पे रखनी है? कोई भी विंडो के पास कोई भी प्लेस खाली है, you can keep it over there. Now you need to fill the difference. After 2 days, it is like you will observe a brownish green layer on a bread slice that is kept on the windowsill के ऊपर जो आपने रखी होगी ब्राउन ब्रेड की स्लाइस, उसके ऊपर एक ब्राउनिश ग्रीन लेयर आ जाएगा और वाइट, मतलब वो ब्रेड है वो स्पॉइल हो गई है, राइट। While the bread in the refrigerator does not get spoiled, रेफ्रिजरेटर के अंदर जो आपने ब्रेड रखी वो बिल्कुल भी स्पॉइल नहीं हो गई है, राइट। इट मींस कि हमने चीज को प्रिजर्व करके रखा, राइट। सो आई होप सो यू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ प्रिजर्विंग फूड, कि आपको प्रिजर्विंग फूड के बारे में पता चला होगा। Ways of preserving food. There are so many different ways to preserve food, like boiling, freezing, canning, drying, and adding preservatives. Right? Here are different ways of preservation that can protect food from getting rotten. कि खराब होने से अगर फूड को हम बचा सकते हैं, तो हम फूड को प्रिजर्व करेंगे. Right? Now boiling. Have you seen your mother boiling milk? Boiling kills the germs in it, so the milk can be stored for a longer time. Kids, have you ever observed your mama is boiling milk? Yes. Observe किया ही होगा. It destroys germs. Milk के अंदर के जो germs होते हैं वो destroy भी करता है. It helps to store for a longer time. कि वो longer time तक वो store करता है, store रह सकता है, right? Now, freezing. If food is stored in the refrigerator, it can be preserved for many days. अगर कोई चीज, as I explained you through that bread slices, एक वो 2 दिन में खराब हो सकती है, रेफ्रिजरेटर वाले खराब नहीं हो सकते, so we can preserve some food through refrigerator for some days, right? The low temperature inside the refrigerator does not allow the growth of microbes. अगर low temperature में refrigerator को set कर देते हैं, तो वो microbes को allow नहीं करेगा उसके ऊपर आने के लिए, right? So it is also a best method to preserve some things for some days. Clear? Now canning. Can वाली चीज होती है canning. Some items such as juices and jams are packed in cans. मतलब ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं, jams, juices, sauces. These are the products which we can store through cans. They are sealed in cans after removing the moisture from them. हम इसको कैन में पैक करने से पहले उसमें से जो सारा का सारा मॉइस्चर होता है वो हम निकाल के उसमें पैक कर देते हैं, राइट। सो this prevents growth of microbes, कि इसकी वजह से मॉइस्चर निकालने की वजह से उसमें माइक्रोब्स इजीली एंटर कर पाएंगे नहीं, और इट इज लाइक ए वो रॉट होने से भी बच जाएगा. इट इज वी कैन प्रोटेक्ट फूड फ्रॉम गेटिंग रॉटन. क्लियर? नाउ ड्राइंग is like a dehydration, right? Sometimes food is dried or dehydrated to preserve it. For example, red chilies and meat leaves can be dried and used for flavoring later. Drying ऐसी चीजें जो ड्राई करने से भी हम लॉन्ग टाइम तक प्रिजर्व कर सकते हैं. Kids, have you ever seen mama is rolling papad and wafers? They both are also some drying there. मतलब वो drying process है. जब भी फास्ट होता है तब आपकी मम्मा जो है वो वेफर्स को फ्राई करती है, तो वो एक लंबे टाइम तक हम क्यों रख सकते हैं? क्योंकि कोई प्रोसीजर से पास हुए कि वो प्रिजर्व हमने करने के लिए उसको हमने क्या कर दिया है, हमने उसको ड्राई कर दिया है, राइट. सो थ्रू दिस इवन रेड चिलीज का भी हम ड्राई करके इसका यूज थ्रू आउट द ईयर कर सकते हैं. इवन मीट लीव्स का भी हम उसको ड्राई करके थ्रू आउट द ईयर यूज कर सकते हैं to add some flavors in food, right? Now adding preservatives. There are so many different foods are there that we are supposed to add preservatives to preserve that food. Preservatives such as salt, sugar and oil are added to certain food to slow down the growth of microbes. Pickles are made by adding salt and oil. Jams and jellies have sugar in them. Adding preservatives to food makes it last for a long time. Kids we love to eat jams, then jellies, right? So it is like preserve. It is उसमें preservatives added होते हैं. Preservatives like salt and sugar. It is a long-term preservative which helps to keep the food from मतलब वो एक ऐसा प्रिजर्वेटिव है जो फूड को लॉन्ग लास्टिंग तक रखता है, खराब होने से बच जाता है, राइट. इवन पिकल्स अथाना, राइट, वो भी एक ऐसी चीज है जिसको हम थ्रू आउट द ईयर रखते हैं बाय एडिंग सॉल्ट एंड ऑयल. these are the both things through that pickles जो होते हैं वो थ्रू आउट द ईयर खराब होते नहीं है. Clear, kids? So these are the ways of preserving food. Clear? I hope so you understand all the topics of today's session. Now kids, in next session I am going to explain you some textbook exercise. Okay kids? So now kids, at the last I want to share you one thing. I have shared the PDF with you. Please try to do it by your own self. And kids, do one thing. It is a little bit lengthier worksheet. If you find any query, read the chapter. If you find still query, watch my video again. You will get all the answers. Okay? So if you like my video, like it. And see you in the next section, kids. Bye!